Mulberry fruits. This is mulberry stem. I kept it a week ago in water. Thaikung sep dalai. दैयाव सोमनानै दोनदोंमोन. दिनै एसे गायस्लायना होनोसै. I'll show you how to grow in a pot. So this is where I am going to grow it, and later on when it grows I'll shift it to a bigger pot like this. A drainage system. Holes are made so that it drains away. Take some coconut peel and we'll simply use it to protect the soil from draining away from the holes. हाया गब्लंजों गलाङि बायदि बेखौ एसे सिङाव होनानै लानांगौ. At the same time, this is also a good fertilizer. बिराद मोजां हासारबो जायो बियो. Okay, this is ready, and the other one. Okay, this much is fine. Now let's see the mix. Potting mix. I have some coco peat already broken here. I don't think this much is required. Let's keep some portion back. We need some soil also, but for the purpose of simply keeping it for time being, I'm not using any soil, but this is Vermi compost. I ordered it from Amazon. You can look at it. This is Vermi compost. We have to take it in proportion. 50% Vermi compost, 30% of coco peat and some soil, but I'm not going to use soil here. Instead I'm going to use this. And that's enough probably. And don't forget this. This is neem powder, ordered from Amazon. Just give only a handful of it. It's just to protect from the insects that will spoil your roots. Now let's mix it nicely. Well, this well mixed. Now let's simply fill this with it. No need to make it too tight. Let it remain a little bit loose for the roots to spread easily. Okay, now it's ready. I intentionally did not cut it into half because I want to just hang it like this on the rope. Alright, now let's apply some water. Let it become fully wet. Hold it for some time. Now let's prepare the stem. Washing my hand. And I have some fresh, guess what it is? Honey. Honey is a very good rooting hormone, so just a drop of it is more than enough. It just came from our home. We have honeycomb at home, beehive. Okay. I'm taking this new blade because the stem is sensitive to some fungus. We'll simply slice a little portion of this because we want to help more roots come out. This much is enough, and apply this nicely, and well, it's ready. I can see the bud already ready to sprout new leaves. Let it be. Just push it through and tighten the soil a little bit, and just keep it like this. And let's see the other one. Slice it a little bit. Let the roots come out from here. Apply the honey. And it's ready. So just put it deep and let it remain. We have one more small one. It's ready. I don't know this bud will grow or not, but let's hope for the best. Put the other one also right here, and we'll wait for it. And so it's ready. When it sprouts into new leaves, I'll show you once again. Let me put it here. Okay. This has really become successful. You can see leaves coming out, and also small fruits coming out along with that, and it's a welcome sign. and the other one also coming out. The leaves are almost coming out. A few days later you will be able to see that. So this is the update for today. You can finally see that this cutting that I have shown you is successful, pushing up a new leaves, new buds, and you can already see that there are some tender fruits coming out. These are the tender fruits coming out. So if you do exactly like this, I believe it will be successful for you also. So follow the tips and do subscribe so that I can bring you more videos on such kind of gardening tips. So hopefully I'll transplant it little bit later, because I believe now the roots might have just started and it will take time to fully root itself. So this much, follow the tips and grow your own garden. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.